So I have a few questions for Israel.
Sir, with the time constraints, we'll allow only one question.
Okay, I'll make it two questions in one question. How does Israel justify the continued expansion of settlements in the West Bank despite repeated UN resolutions declaring them illegal under the international law? And what measures that Israel is willing to take to end the civilian casualties and the genocide it is causing in Palestine and towards the Palestinian civilians?
The status of the West Bank is disputed, not illegally occupied, and Israel has historical, legal, and security interests in these areas. The final status of these territories must be determined through direct negotiations between Israel and Palestine, not through outside resolutions or external pressure. We are prepared to compromises when we have a genuine peace partner.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.